I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your source and key columns are clear and accessible. You need the exact columns that define duplicates. Add a data flow task and drag in the appropriate source component for OLEDB, flat file, or Excel, then preview a few rows. Once done, place a sort or aggregate transformation immediately after the source to identify duplicates. Make sure to uncheck case-sensitive options if needed. Run a quick validation to catch connection or metadata issues before continuing. Next, choose the transformation based on simplicity and control. Use sort and enable remove duplicates for straightforward column matches because it's fast and visual. If you need to keep specific non-key values, use aggregate and group by your key columns, then select first, max, or other functions to define which row's data survives. Once done, optionally insert a script component to apply custom logic or fuzzy matching when duplicates aren't exact. Make sure buffers and memory settings are adequate for large datasets. To finish, route the transformation output to your destination, an OLEDB destination or a staging table, and enable logging of row counts so you can verify results. Once done, compare source and output counts and use a data viewer to inspect a few rows. Make sure key column combinations look correct. If you encounter errors or performance problems, reduce buffer sizes, process in batches, or replace sort with a database-side dedupe query. If things still go wrong, check metadata mismatches and collation differences first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.